Hello everyone, welcome to Professor Ghosh's YouTube channel. Today we will be understanding the Module 1, Foundations of New Media and Online Journalism. So let's begin.
Hi, I am Professor Ghosh's teaching aide, and I will explain you all the topics of the module which Sir already taught me. So let's begin. For decades, media told us when to watch and what to read. Today, digital communication puts the control room in your pocket. Welcome to the era of new media.
New media refers to on-demand digital content that is highly interactive, networked, and accessible on digital devices. Unlike old media, traditional TV, print, radio, which is a one-way street, digital communication is a two-way conversation. It fundamentally shifted power from the publisher to the consumer, allowing audiences to choose what, when, and how they consume information.
From the printing press to the smartphone screen, journalism hasn't just changed where it's published, it's changed how the news is built.
Journalism didn't become digital overnight. It evolved through stages. From shovelware, simply uploading newspaper text to a website in the 90s, to Web 2.0, incorporating user comments and blogs, to today's mobile-first, social-native news ecosystem. The business model shifted from subscription and classifieds to digital ads, paywalls, and subscriber memberships.
Online journalism is alive. It's immediate, it's interactive, and it blends text, sound, and sight into a single experience.
Online journalism is defined by three pillars. Interactivity. The audience participates through comments, polls, hyperlinking to sources, and sharing. Immediacy. The 24-hour news cycle is dead. News is now real-time. Updates are pushed the second they happen. Multimedia. A single story can simultaneously feature text, embedded video, audio clips, and interactive data visualizations.
The silos are gone. We need that story now. In a convergent newsroom, it's not about the medium, it's about the story and how many ways you can tell it.
Historically, print reporters, TV anchors, and radio hosts worked in completely separate buildings. Today, newsrooms are converged. A modern digital newsroom is a centralized hub where a single breaking story is simultaneously packaged for the website, shot for Instagram Reels, scripted for a podcast, and formatted for tomorrow's newspaper.
The satellite truck has been replaced by the smartphone. Today, the world's most powerful broadcasting tool fits right in your pocket.
Mobile tech birthed Mojo, mobile journalism. A journalist no longer needs a satellite truck. A smartphone with a 5G connection, a decent microphone, and a gimbal is a complete broadcast studio. Furthermore, mobile technology turned citizens into eyewitness reporters, democratizing raw footage from protests, disasters, and events globally.
Whether you prefer the classic layout of an e-paper, the depth of a news portal, or the curated speed of an aggregator, the digital age delivers the news exactly how you want it.
These are the primary delivery vehicles for digital news. News portals. Dedicated, comprehensive news sites creating original content, such as CNN.com, BBC News. E-papers. Exact digital replicas of printed newspapers, often as PDFs, preserving the traditional layout for older or purist demographics. News aggregators. Platforms that don't write the news, but use algorithms to curate headlines from thousands of sources into one feed, such as Google News, Apple News.
Journalism today has many voices. From the written depth of a blog, intimate energy of a vlog, how we report the news is as diverse as the news itself.
Digital journalism expanded beyond traditional articles into distinct formats. Blogs, text and image-based weblogs. Originally personal diaries, they are now often highly specialized, niche journalism. For example, a tech blog or political analysis blog. Podcasts, serialized audio journalism, perfect for long-form narrative storytelling and deep-dive interviews where emotion and tone of voice matter. Vlogs, video logs, often personality-driven, informal, and visual, used heavily by independent journalists on platforms like YouTube to build direct parasocial relationships with their audience.
From the heavy ink of the printing press to the live-streamed glow of a smartphone, we've seen how new media hasn't just upgraded the news, it has completely revolutionized how we connect with the world. We've explored the immediacy of online journalism, the power of the convergent newsroom, and the diverse voices of blogs, podcasts, and vlogs. That wraps up our module on new media and digital communication. Or just want to share your favorite way to consume news? Please drop a comment down below. We'd love to keep the conversation going. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.